Hello students, in today's video we will discuss about chapter 2 number systems. So how to do the conversion, decimal to binary conversion, decimal to octal and decimal to hexadecimal. All the three conversions we are going to discuss. First one, decimal to binary conversions. There are two methods for conversion of decimal to binary. First method is repeated division by 2. So we are going to follow this method, that is repeated division by 2, because we want to convert to binary. So we have to do the base of the binary number is 2. So we should follow the method repeated division by 2. So any decimal number divided by 2 will leave a remainder of 0 or 1. So if you divide a number by 2 means it will give us the remainder as 0 or 1. So repeated division by 2 will leave a sequence of zeros and ones that become the binary equivalent. So when we repeatedly divide by 2 means it gives us a remainder either 0 or 1. 2 ல divide பண்ணிட்டே வரும்போது 0 1 தவிர வேற எந்த நம்பரும் வராது ரிமைண்டரா. So divide the number by, so how to do that means divide the number by 2 and write the quotient and remainder. Then the process is repeated until the quotient becomes 0 or 1. So repeatedly we have to divide the number and write the quotient and remainder. So we have to repeat until the quotient becomes 0. Finally 0 1 hour varaikkum we have to divide it. Okay. So after getting 0 or 1 we have to stop the process and we want to write the final answer starting from final remainder value obtained to the first remainder value. So last remainder value to final first remainder value we have to copy. That will become the answer for the decimal number. Okay. So now we will see the example. You will understand easily. Okay. So decimal 2 we are going to follow the method repeated division by 2. Let us take one example. 65. I am going to take 65. Okay. So 65. This 65 I want to convert into binary number. Okay. So the base, if the for decimal number the base is 10. Okay. So if the number is like this with the base 10 means it represents it is a decimal number. And the base பார்த்தாலே நம்ம வந்து என்ன நம்பர்னு கண்டுபிடிச்சிடலாம். இது வந்து 10ன்றதுனால this is a decimal number. Now I want to convert this number into binary form. So the question may be like this. What is the binary form? Okay. So they will be putting the question and base. So we want to find out binary for the given decimal number 65. So what we have to do means first write the number 65, then divide by 2. We are going to follow the method repeated division by 2. So divide the 65 by 2. So we will be getting the quotient 32. Okay, 32 2s are 64. So write the quotient and remainder. What is a remainder? 32 2s are 64. 65 minus 64 you will get the remainder 1. Okay, then again divide it. 16 2s are 32. So 32 will go by 2 by 16 times. So the quotient is 16. So there is no remainder because it is exactly divisible. Correct divide ஆகிறதுனால remainder 0. திருப்பி அதை வந்து நம்ம divide பண்ணணும். Again do the division. So 8 times. It goes by 8 times. Okay. So the remainder is 0. Okay. Then again you divide. So now 4. So you'll get the remainder 0. Then again divide it. So you'll get the quotient 2 and 0. Then again you divide. You will be getting the quotient as 1. So as I said earlier, we have to repeat the process till I get 1 or 0. So 1 and வந்துருச்சு அவ்வளவுதான். இதுக்கு மேல நம்ம டிவைட் பண்ண முடியாது. The process is over. Okay. Now what we have to do means we have to write the answer. All the reminders starting from bottom to top. So you will be getting 65 decimal equivalent is equal to 150. Okay. So we have to copy from here, from the bottom, last one. From here we have to start. Okay. So 1, then we have 5 zeros. And 1. So this is the corresponding binary number for the given decimal number. So this is how we have to write. Okay. So divide I will repeat again, divide by 2. So you'll get the quotient as 32 and remainder will be 1. Again you divide by 2, 16. So 0 will be the remainder. Then divide panna 8 times pohum. So 0 will be the remainder. Then divide, you will get 4. So last you will be getting 1. Okay. So we should not stop here. We should stop till you get a number which is less than 2. What is a number which is less than 2? 1. இல்லையா 1 0. இப்போ 1 வந்துருச்சு, அவ்வளோதான். இதுக்கு மேலே நான் டிவைட் பண்ண முடியாது. ஸோ அதனால் இதை ஸ்டாப் பண்ணிவிட்டு we have to write the answers. That is all the bits, all the zeros and 1 should be written from bottom to last. ஸோ இங்கேருந்து ஆரம்பிக்கணும். ஸோ 1 0 0 0 0 0 5 zeros, then 1. So this is the corresponding binary equivalent for the given decimal number 65. Okay. So next, second method, method 2, sum of powers of 2. So next method we are going to for the same conversion, that is decimal to binary. Sum of powers of 2. A decimal number can be converted into binary by adding up the powers of 2 and then adding the bits as needed to obtain the total value of the number. That means we have to write the powers. By adding the powers of 2, we can add bits to the corresponding powers of 2 and find the value. Okay, we will see the example. So next we are going to discuss the same example 65 by using the sum of powers of 2. Okay, so 65 is a given decimal number. So first step is we have to write all the powers of 2. So 1, 2 power 0 will be 1, 2 power 1 will be 2, next 2 power 2 will be 4, next 8, and then 16, 32, 32 into 2 will be 64. So next power will be 64 into 2 will be 128. But we have to stop till this. Why means the number should be lesser than, the power should be lesser or equal to the given number. இப்போ 64 பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 65 விட லெஸராக இருக்குது, அதனால் இதோட நிறுத்திக்கணும். ஹையஸ்ட் பவராக இருக்கணும். நம்ம 32 லெஸர், அதனால் இதில் நிறுத்தணும்னு சொல்லக்கூடாது. We should write the powers of 2 starting from 2 power 0 till the highest power. இது maximum பவராக இருக்கும், அதோட நிறுத்திக்கணும். That power should be either lesser than or equal to the given number. இதை பார்த்தீங்கன்னா லெஸராக இருக்குது. ஓகே, அதனால் இதை நிறுத்திக்கிறோம். நெக்ஸ்ட் நம்பர் 128 எடுத்தால் கிரேட்டர், அதனால் அதை எழுதக்கூடாது. ஓகே, ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் த ஃபஸ்ட் ஸ்டெப். நெக்ஸ்ட் we have to compare the power with the given number. So 64 is lesser than the given number 65. If the number is like this, means if the power is lesser than the, sorry, this is 65. If the power is lesser than the given number, then we have to write 1. That is, we have to make this bit as 1. Okay, and we have to subtract, do the subtraction. So 65 minus 64 is equal to 1. Okay, and then the next step is we have to take this number for comparing with the remaining powers. Okay, இனிமேல் 65 எடுக்கக்கூடாது. ரிசல்ட் சப்ட்ராக்ட் பண்ணி என்ன ரிசல்ட் வந்ததோ அந்த ரிசல்ட் எடுத்து தான் we have to compare the remaining powers of 2. Okay, now if you take 1 and compare with the 32 means, so 32 is greater than 1. Okay, so 32 வந்து power வந்து greater than 1, greater than the result. Okay, so if it is greater means we have to make it as 0. இதுக்கு நேரா 0 எழுதணும். இந்த ஒன்றை இங்கே எழுதிக்கோங்க. ஓகேவா, ஸோ செகண்ட் பிட்டும் it is 0. So if it is lesser means we have to make it as 1. If it is greater means we have to write as 0. Okay, so similarly remaining bits or remaining powers like 16, 8, 4, 2, all these numbers are greater than 1. So we have to make 0. That means we have to write zeros for all these powers. Okay, so 0, 0, and for 2 also 0. Next we have to take the last number, that is 1. Okay, so 1 is equal to, if it is equal also we have to write as 1. Okay, so you'll be getting 1, the same number as you write before. You copy this, so 0, 0, 0, the last, since it is equal, we have to write as 1. Okay, so if it is lesser than or equal to means make as 1. Okay, if it is greater means then we have to write as 0. Okay, so this is the process of conversion. Okay, so final answer, that's all, the process is over and we have to write the answer. So you are getting the answer as 150 and 1. So this is the corresponding binary for the given decimal number 65. So this is the method, that is sum of the powers of method for finding the decimal to binary. So first write all the powers of 2. Okay, so all the powers of 2 till the power should be maximum power we have to take. Okay, power should be lesser or equal to the given number. Okay, so since 64 is the highest power which is lesser than the given number, and then next one is we have to compare the powers with the given number. So first take 64, compare it. If this is lesser, if it is lesser or equal, both condition, that is if it is lesser or it can be equal. So if it is lesser or equal means make it as 1. இதுக்கு நேரா 1 ன்னு எழுதணும். அப்புறம் we have to subtract பண்ணணும். 65 minus 64, that is equal to 1. Okay, இனிமே வந்து இந்த 1 ன்ற ரிசல்ட்டை தான் நம்ம கம்பேரிசனுக்கு எடுத்துக்கணும். இந்த 65 இனிமே நம்ம கன்சிடர் பண்ணக்கூடாது. ஸோ 1 எடுத்திங்கன்னா அடுத்தது 1 கம்பேர் பண்ணிங்கன்னா 32, 16, 8, 4, 2 இந்த நம்பர்ஸ் எல்லாமே, இந்த பவர்ஸ் எல்லாமே it is greater than 1. So we have to write zeros. If it is greater na we have to make it as 0. Okay, அடுத்தது பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 1 வந்து equal to 1. So equal இருந்தாலும் greater than இருந்தாலும் we have to write as 1. Okay, so then we got the final answer for the given decimal number 65. Next one is decimal to octal conversion. The second conversion we are going to discuss is decimal to octal. Okay, same, repeat only one method we are going to follow, that is repeated division. Okay, since octal number have the base 8, we have to do the repeated division by 8. Okay, so the given number, the same number we are going to convert. So the given number is decimal number is 65. We want to find the octal, corresponding octal number. Okay, so what is the corresponding octal number? So follow the repeated division. Okay, so 65 we have to divide by the base of the octal number. What is the base? 8. So 8 will be going how many times? 8 times. So the quotient is 8. 8 8s are 64. The remainder will be 1. Okay, and then next divide this 8 again with the 8. So it will be the quotient will be 1, that is it is going by 1 time. So 1 ones are 8. Okay, 1 8s are 8. So the remainder will be 0. There is no remainder because it is exactly divisible. That's all, the process is over. So we have to repeatedly divide the given number till you get the number lesser than 8. லாஸ்டா ஒரு 1 ல இருந்து 7 வரைக்கும் வர வரைக்கும் நம்ம டிவைட் பண்ணிட்டே இருக்கணும். ஓகே, இங்க 1 வந்துருச்சு, அவ்வளவுதான். We have to stop the process. 1, either it may be 2 or 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 வரைக்கும் இருந்ததுன்னா we cannot divide that number by 8. So we have to stop the process. So the corresponding answer we have to write from the bottom to top. So we can write the final answer as 65 decimal is equal to 101. So this is the octal representation of the given number 65. Okay, so divide by the base. Remember octal number base is 8, so we have to do the process repeated division by 8. Binary ன்றதுனால 2 ஆல டிவைட் பண்ணோம், இங்க octalன்றதுனால 8 ஆல டிவைட் பண்ணோம். ரிப்பீட்டடா டிவைட் பண்ணிட்டே வரணும். அதே மாதிரி we have to write the remainder. எப்போ ஸ்டாப் பண்ணனும்னா கடைசியா 0 1 to 7 குள்ளார எந்த நம்பர் வந்தாலும் we have to stop it. Okay, so this is the method, and finally we have to write all the reminders starting from the bottom to top as usual. Okay, 101. So let us see one more example for conversion of decimal to octal. Suppose if the number is 60, they have given the number as 60. So you want to convert to octal. So what we have to do? We have to divide by 8. Okay. So 8 8s are 64, but we can take 7 8s are 56. 7 times it will go. Okay. 7 8s are 56. So 60 minus 56 will be 4. 4 will be the remainder. Then again the 7, we cannot divide the 7 by 8. That's what. So the process is stopped. We have to stop up to this. Okay. So the final answer will be 7 and 4. So this will be the corresponding octal number for the given binary, that is given decimal number 60. That's what I told in the previous example. We have to do the division repeatedly till you get the number lesser than 8. Either it can be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 வரைக்கும் வரலாம். இங்கே 7 வந்து நான் டிவைட் பண்ண முடியாது. சப்போஸ் இங்கே 6 இருந்தாலும் அதையும் டிவைட் பண்ண முடியாது. ஸோ 8 மேலே இருந்தால் தான் we can divide do the repeated division. Okay. So இதோட அவ்வளோதான். The process is over. So we'll be getting the answer as 7 4 base 8. So this is the octal representation. So next we will see the next example, decimal to hexadecimal. Okay, decimal to hexadecimal. Same repeated division by, here we want to do the repeated division by 16 because the base of hexadecimal is 16. Okay, so same number we are going to consider 65. So we want to find out the hexadecimal equivalent of the given decimal number. So what is the hexadecimal equivalent of the given decimal 65? Okay, so we want to divide the number by the base of hexadecimal number. You know the base of hexadecimal number is 16. So 65 will go how many times? 4 16s are 64. Okay, so 4 times it will go. 4 16s are 64. So 65 minus 64, you will get the remainder as 1. That's all. Only one step you are getting. So the answer will be 4 1. That is the corresponding hexadecimal equivalent. Okay, so 4 1 will be the, sorry, see this is 65. Hexadecimal equivalent of the given number 65. So we found all the conversion like decimal to binary, decimal to octal, and decimal to hexadecimal. For decimal to binary, we did two methods. One is repeated division by 2, another one is sum of powers of 2. Okay, so for decimal to octal, repeated division by 8. For decimal to hexadecimal, repeated division by 16. Okay, so that's all about the today's session. Decimal to different number system conversion we discussed. So if I want to convert a given decimal number to any other number system, means we have to follow the repeated division by the base. So decimal to binary means divide by 2. 2 ஆல divide பண்ணும். Decimal to octal na octal ku base 8. So 8 ஆல divide பண்ணும். Hexadecimal base வந்து 16. So 16 ஆல divide பண்ணும். Okay. So thank you children.